Why do cities stay warmer at night? Understanding the urban heat island effect. Ever walked through a city at night and wondered why it's still so warm while nearby villages cool down? You're experiencing something real. It's called the urban heat island effect, and it's one of the most noticeable yet invisible climate patterns created by humans. During the day, the sun heats everything up. Cities, farms, forests, but cities absorb and hold heat differently. Urban areas are made of materials like concrete, asphalt, metal, and bricks, all of which have high thermal mass. That means they soak up heat and store it like a battery. When the sun sets, cities slowly release that stored heat back into the atmosphere. In contrast, rural areas are filled with vegetation and open soil, which cools the air through evapotranspiration. Plants don't trap heat like concrete. Instead, they release moisture, cooling their surroundings. So while a village cools quickly after the sun goes down, cities act like giant radiators, keeping the heat alive. How much warmer are cities? The difference can be dramatic. At night, urban areas can be 5 to even 10 degrees Celsius hotter than the countryside, especially in summer. Satellites and drones help us see this from space, using thermal infrared imaging to map heat. Cities glow orange or red, while cooler areas fade into blues. But why is this a problem? It's not just about feeling uncomfortable. The urban heat island effect leads to more electricity use for cooling. This brings increased health risks, particularly for older adults and low-income communities. Poor sleep quality, higher stress levels, and more heat-related illnesses follow suit. Plus, it messes with rainfall patterns, air quality, and even local wind flows. With climate change, heat waves are becoming more frequent, making urban heat islands even more dangerous. So, what can we do about it? We can't eliminate cities, but we can design them smarter. Adding more trees, green spaces, using cool roofs, or building green walls can all help lower temperatures. Next time you wonder why cities stay warm while the countryside cools down, remember, it's not just weather, it's the urban heat island effect.